Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. You all are staying safe. Students, welcome to our English lesson today. What we are going to learn today? We are going to learn about statements, questions and capital letters. Statements. Statements. What is a statement? Statement is sentence where you tell us something. Like, you are telling me your name. That my name is Sanzida. Here what I am telling you, I am telling you something. I am giving you some information that what is my name, right? So, when you tell some information in a sentence, that is called statements. Statements is sentence where you tell us something. Statements gives us information about something. And one most important thing, statement always ends with full stop. Okay, what is this? This dot, that means full stop. When you see a full stop, it means the sentence is finished. You need to stop. Okay? See here, my name is Sanzida. Here what I am doing? I am giving you information that my name is Sanzida. So this is a statement. It ends with, see what is this red dot? This is full stop. It means that the statement has finished, right? So when one statement is finished, we have to put a full stop always. Second statement, I teach grade 1C. So I am giving you information, I am giving you about what I do. I teach grade 1C. So when I finish, I put what? I put a full stop. So when your sentence is finished, when your statement ends, you need to put full stop. Always, in every sentence. I am sad. So what I am telling you what I am feeling. I am feeling sad. Okay. So when I finish that I am sad, what I put? I put a full stop. So always statement ends with full stop. See, here are some sentences. Saif is fasting. Saif is fasting. But see, here is a mistake. Can you tell me what is the mistake in this statement? That here is no full stop. We have to put a full stop at the end of this statement. Otherwise, it is a mistake. Okay? See, second sentence. Isra has lost her teeth. Isra has lost her teeth. See, here is also one mistake. What is that mistake? See, all the sentences, spellings are correct. You have given space between two words. So what is the mistake? The mistake is you have not put a full stop. Always, after every statement, you have to put a full stop. You have to end all sentence with full stop. Now question. What is a question? Question is a sentence where you ask something. Okay, question is a sentence where you ask something. Like I am Sanjita, it's a statement. But if you ask that what is your name, then it is a question because you are asking. You are asking for an information that what is your name. Okay, so how you will understand that it is a question? Question always begins with how, when, where, is, has, have, what, who, etc. Okay, and another important thing you can mark that question ends with question mark. Okay, question always ends with question mark. This is this red sign you see. I know you all know this mark. It is a question mark. So if you write a question, you have to finish the question with this question mark. What is your name? It's a question. So you have to put a question mark here. How are you? You are asking that how are you? So it is a question. So you have to end the question with a question mark. You cannot put a full stop here. Where do you live? You are asking the question. So you have to end it with a question mark. See here, is it night? You are asking that is it night time? So it is a question. So what is the mistake here? The mistake is you have not put the question mark here. You have to put a question mark to end a question. Who is your teacher? What is the mistake in this sentence? The mistake is it is a question because it starts with who and you are asking for something. But you have not put the question mark. So this mistake is you have to put a question mark. Have you ever been to the zoo? Here is also, see, there is no question mark. You have to put question mark after every question. Okay? And now the last thing, capital letters. See, these are capital letters or we can say uppercase letter. And these are small letters or we can say lowercase letter. We all know this, right? When we begin a sentence, the first letter of the first word should always be a capital letter. Okay? We have to begin a sentence with capital letter. See, Mikat is playing. Here the sentence begins with M. So we have to write M in capital. Okay? I am sick. See, here the sentence begins with I. So I has to be a capital or uppercase letter. Who is there? Sentence begins with which letter? W. So W has to be a capital letter. Here you can see Affan is crying. In this statement we have put full stop. So where is the mistake? The mistake is Affan. The sentence begins with A, but the A is small. The sentence cannot begin with a small letter. Sentence should be start with a capital letter. So A needs to be capital. She is jumping. There is also a mistake. See, full stop is there. Spellings are correct. What is the mistake? Sentence begins with S, but S is small. No, it needs to be capital. How are you? Here you see H, the sentence begins with H, but here H is a small letter. It can't be a small letter. It has to be a capital letter. Okay? So what we learned? We learned that sentence begins with capital letter and ends with full stop or question mark. Okay? See, here are some sentences where there are some mistakes. You have to find out what is the mistake. Butter is made from milk. See, what is the mistake here? Sentence begins with capital, it's correct. But there is no punctuation mark. There is no full stop. There is no question mark. So, you have to put a full stop after this sentence. Okay? A young cat is called a kitten. So, what is the mistake in the second sentence? Same. There is no full stop. You have to put a full stop at the end of every sentence. Will you come swimming with me? So it is a question or a statement. You are asking for something. It is a question. It begins with will. So here it will be a question mark. So the mistake in third sentence is there is no question mark. When are you coming to see me? This is also a question. You are asking something, so it needs a question mark at the end. A rabbit has soft fur. It has two mistakes. Number one is you need to put A as capital. It should not be. A sentence always begins with capital letter. So A needs to be capital and there needs to be a full stop at the end. When will you be ready? W begins the question, but here W is a small letter. No, it needs to be uppercase letter or capital letter. W needs to be capital. See here the answer. There should be full stops, there should be question marks, A and W should be capital, like this. Okay, you understood? So, what is your assignment? Your assignment is, I have given you some sentences, okay? Here there are some mistakes. Like see, I go to school every day. What is the mistake here? Sentence begins with capital letter. But see, here it is small. So you have to make it capital. And every day, it is a statement, right? So at the end, there should be a full stop. See, here is no full stop. So what you have to do to correct this sentence? You have to make I capital and you have to put a full stop at the end of this sentence. So there are many sentences like this. There are questions. Okay, so there are mistakes in these sentences. You have to correct this. Place capital letter and full stop or question mark in the following sentences. So you have to rewrite there are 10 sentences where there are mistakes. You have to rewrite the sentences and write the correct sentence. You have to write begin the sentence with a capital letter, and at the end you have to put full stop in statement and question mark in case of question. Okay, do it in your school English copy. You don't need to write the wrong sentence. It is okay. You just give number 1 and write the correct sentence. That will be enough for me. Okay, thank you students. Have fun. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.